Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Soundboard on PC. First, download and install a Soundboard application compatible with your operating system. Then, launch the application and familiarize yourself with its user interface. Next, locate the option to add or import sound clips within the application. Upload your desired audio files to the Soundboard. Now, assign hotkeys or shortcuts to each sound clip for quick access during use. Adjust settings such as volume levels and playback options as needed. Integrate the Soundboard with your preferred communication or streaming platforms. Then, test the Soundboard to ensure all clips play correctly and hotkeys function as intended. Use the Soundboard during your activities, triggering sounds via assigned hotkeys. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.